In this video, we're diving into designing a professional email in Mailchimp, whether you're new to email marketing or just looking to improve your designs. Stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you some pro tips that'll make your emails stand out and convert better than ever. Plus, there's a special bonus for you if you stick around. First things first, Mailchimp is an amazing platform, and you can start designing emails for completely free from the first link below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses. Let's jump into the design process. The first thing to do is pick the right template. Mailchimp offers a ton of pre-designed email templates, which makes it super easy to create a professional-looking email. Whether you're promoting a sale or sending a newsletter, these templates are responsive and will look great on any device. After you've picked a template, you can start customizing it to match your brand. Next thing, it's time to make the design your own. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor is super intuitive. You can drag in images, buttons, and text blocks to craft your message exactly how you want it. But a quick tip, keep your layout simple. Avoid cluttering the email with too many elements. A clean design makes it easier for readers to engage with your content. The third thing to focus on is the colors and fonts. Use colors that align with your branding and make sure the text is legible. This is critical. If the text is hard to read, your audience is going to move on. Mailchimp lets you customize both the fonts and colors, so take advantage of that to keep everything looking cohesive. The fourth thing, pay attention to your call to action or CTA. This is the part of your email that drives action, so make sure it stands out. A button is more clickable than text, so use one and make sure it's big enough and placed in a location where your readers can easily find it. Next, let's talk about testing. Once you've designed your email, it's time to test it. Mailchimp allows you to preview your email on desktop and mobile, ensuring it looks great no matter what device your audience is using. Test the links, the images, and the overall layout. The last thing to keep in mind is analytics. Once you've sent your email, Mailchimp provides powerful insights into how well it's performing. You'll get detailed reports on open rates, click rates, and more. This information will help you improve future emails and refine your designs for even better results. Remember, Mailchimp is free to use from the first link below, and don't forget to claim your exclusive extended free trial. It's perfect for getting started and trying out all these features without any pressure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.